Hello everyone, welcome back to another English video. I hope you all are doing great. So this is Preeti and today is my day 17 of Speaking English challenge for 21 days. So guys, in this video I'm not going to talk about any random topic about English. I just want to talk about which all things is happening in my life and which all things I faced and facing these days. So I just want to talk about randomly which all thoughts is going on my mind. So guys, let's get started this video. So have you ever experienced these things like you did hard work, any particular thing for longer, but later then you don't get any result, and then that particular thing which work you want to do and which all things you want to achieve in your life. So how's how was your feeling that time in that moment? So guys, if I talk about myself, so uh, I faced so many things in my life. Like I did so much hard work, any particular thing, but later then I don't get anything. So sometimes I feel I think it is luck and anything or something or I don't know what happened, but I think somewhere we do our best in our life or achieve something in our life, but we don't get that thing which we want to achieve in our life, and we waste so many time in any particular thing and we don't get anything. So that is why guys sometimes I feel what can we what can say this is luck and something or, but I just have been working again to again and upon my skills and which all things I do extraordinary and which all uh, work I do in my life, because first of all I want to learn this language, but earlier I used to uh, study for my GOVT exam, but I have been studying since long, but I don't get anything yet. So that is why guys sometimes we feel demotivated, and because we are human, if we don't get longer period of time anything which and which particular work we uh, did our hard work upon this, but we don't get anything, so that is why we get demotivated. Especially if I talk about myself, I always thought why this happening in my life, because I do and I did hard work about this thing, so why I don't achieve anything yet. So if I talk about English, my English. So I started this challenge for my improvement, but somewhere I want to, if my videos get viral, so I think I can do so many things in my life more, because if we just do something new and suppose we are not fluent in this language and like we are not professional, but somewhere you do your best to learn this language and for your YouTube channel. Because if I talk about my time, which time I gave this video and every day, because I have to take retake and retake, because uh, our mind not habitual this language, but I just try to uh, push up myself ahead and get something more word in my mind again to again. But somehow I make my video like this front of you, but sometime I thought if I do hard work about these things, like I make my video and I what is the hard work behind this video. So sometime we thought if we get result and we get something in I mean about this, if I get something my videos is somewhere get viral and people keep supporting me, so I think I will get more motivate make this any particular video about this English topic. But if you don't get any result, so I think obviously you get demotivated, because you don't want to longer do this particular thing where you don't get anything. So I think it's happened, and many people can relate with me, because if we do hard work any particular thing, so we want to result and we want something in uh, our life, because we don't want to waste our time and our life, because as you can you can understand what is the value of time if we spend some valuable time somewhere, so there we have a some expectation to achieve and get result. So that is why guys, I want to talk about this, because I don't get any result yet, because my video is not going viral anywhere, and I just get only 15 and 40 views. So that is why I sometimes get demotivated. But at the last, I mean, my motive is complete my this 21 challenge, but somewhere I wanted to uh, increase my subscriber, and I wanted to maybe my video will go viral, and that's why I do so many hard work day by day upon this my skills, but it's never and yet happened. So I just want to share these things, guys, if you can relate with me, because if we do somewhere hard work every day, we give our valuable time, so we want to result in that particular thing. So that is why I want to result, but I don't get anything. But I just have to complete this challenge, no matter it's about our luck and our hard work, which we have to do in our life. And no matter what all things you achieve or not, but you just have to do your karma. But later then, if I say in Hindi, like if we just अगर हम कुछ काम करते रहे लेकिन उसका हमें फल नहीं मिले, सो आई थिंक वो आजकल नहीं चलता कि कर्म करते जाओ एंड फल की इच्छा मत रखो. सो गाइस, that's all things I want to share with you, because if we do some hard work, so we always eager to know, and we always eager to reach that goal where you get something, so where you do hard work your every day. So guys, I just want to share this all things, because sometime I get demotivated. Just I always try to make video about like don't get demotivated, and try to push up yourself and try to learn something new in English. So my means is not like that you have to demotivate, but sometimes it's happen because we are human, and it's human nature. If you don't get anything, any result, so I think you get demotivated, and it's happening and happened with me, guys, because you don't know what is going on in my life, and I don't know what is going in your life. So guys, that is all about these things, because I want to share my feeling which is going on in my mind and heart. So that is why I want to share, and if you can relate me somewhere, so guys, please let me know in the comment box, and these things happen with you or not, because I think many people juggling and experienced this thing already, because there are so many people over YouTube and any particular thing and social media, because they get result, even they do their hard work and they do everything for achieve something, but they lastly they don't get any result, and that is why they get demotivated, and it's happening with me too. So guys, I just have to complete this challenge, and later then it's not like this. I will give up, because this is my what can I say, this is my goal to achieve fluency in English. So I have to do hard work more and more about this. But along with that, I have to study for my exam as well, because if I give my many year for this exam, so I think I have to achieve something in my life, because no matter uh, uh, I mean, no matter many time I feel give up and all things in my mind, but I think we should not give up whether you get something or not. You just do your hard work, and later then, I mean, later then you definitely get something in your life. So guys, that is all for today, and as you can see, somewhere I stuck and fumbled in English, but I try my best to share my feeling only in English, because if I habitual this type of practice, so I think I will definitely get fluency soon. So you can express your feeling like this, no matter you upload your video or not over YouTube. You just have to keep it private, but just try to talk like this, because if you don't have any partner. So guys, that's all for this about this video. So I just want to randomly share my feeling with you. So if you can relate me somewhere, so please let me know in the comment box. And if you want to support me more and more, guys, so please keep support and do like, share, subscribe my channel for more. And I'll definitely do hard work upon this language. And who all are learner this beginner and learner this language, so they can guide me, and also they can subscribe my channel, because I am also learner like you. So that's it for today's video. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.